Wassup, nerds? Today I will be teaching you how to start up this Boeing 737 and explain 10 wahaha. First of all, look up and turn on the battery. After that, turn on the backup power below it. Next, we start the good old APU. Next, we turn on the generators. Right after that, we turn on the engine 1 and 2 bleed and APU bleed. Turn on whatever these things are. Make sure the yaw damper is on. Now, before we start the engines, we must now wait ages for this good old APU to fully start up. Once the good old APU is fully started up, we turn on the fuel pumps, starting from the left one, then the middle one, and finally the third one. Next, we head to the engine starters, starting with engine number 2. Put it on GRD. After that, open the engine number 2 valve, just right behind the throttles. After that, we do the same for engine number 1. That's all for this video. I hope you learned something. See you later, my little Nick.